I hate being bored. Do you boys have any plans?
To be honest with you, Toad, I certainly don't have any.
Well, boys, looks like there's just nothing left but to just watch TV.
Yeah.
Hey, kids, and immature grown-ups, is boredom really stressing you out? Not to worry. Introducing the brand new Fidget Spinner. It spins like crazy and it's really entertaining. Fun for the whole family and can keep you out of the boredom zone. Come and buy it for only $5.
Wow, look guys, a Fidget Spinner. Ooh, that's so cool. I want one.
Ooh, wait. I think I heard about these things before. Everybody be having those.
Well, so should we. Let's go to the store now and buy one.
Okay. To the store.
Yay.
Let's go.
Wow. What a waste of a trip, you guys. I mean, we walked from here, took a 10-minute walk to the store to buy a dang Fidget Spinner, and the next thing you know, they're sold out already. Yeah, I know, Luigi. I mean, they were on sale for like only 5 minutes. And all these people have beaten us. I guess we're 5 minutes late then. Guys, I can't take it anymore. Boredom is literally killing me. If only a miracle happens. Guys, come quick. I have a miracle for you. Whoa, me and my big fat mouth. Come on, guys, let's go see what Peach got. What is it, Princess? Guys, I have solved the so-called no Fidget Spinner problem. Behold, the Fidget Spinner app. I bought it from the App Store. Wow, take a look at this, guys. Oh my God, that looks awesome. Wait, that looks like a game. Oh, you bet it is. Come on, guys, let's try it out. I'm sure we will have fun. All right, let's do it. Will you care to go first, Toad? Oh, yes.
Whoa, this is so awesome.
Wow, Toad. You sure do got connected into this really fast. Yeah, this game really do look awesome. Let me have a spin.
Wait. Let me spin again.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. This is totally the best game ever already.
Wow, Toad. You sure are quick to judge.
Okay, Toad. Time to give everybody else a turn.
Already? Okay, Mario. Looks like it's your turn.
Well, awesome. Hi. I bet this is totally worth it than playing with a real Fidget Spinner. Why don't you give it a spin? Oh, you bet I will. Let me... Okay, now. And... So far, so good. Oh yeah, that's a good spin. I'm getting as good as you, Toad.
Yeah, you sure are, huh?
Ooh, I did good. Let me spin again. Oh yeah, I'm loving this game so far, Peach. Me too. Even though I haven't played it yet.
And... I guess I need to work on my spins.
Okay, I think this is getting kind of boring now. You guys want to go for a walk in the park?
Oh, sure, princess.
Yeah, we would love to. Come on, race you there, Mario.
Oh, you ain't gonna beat me.
Coming, Toad?
Nah, I think I'm gonna stay here and play this game a little more. Or maybe a lot more.
You sure you don't want to come?
Yeah, I'm very positive. I mean, I enjoy this game so much. I think I deserve more time on this.
Okay, suit yourself. Have fun.
I will. Okay, now. Oh, man.
That sure was a long walk in the park, hey boys?
Yeah, a very long walk. I mean, we went around the park in circles like for 500 times in 5 hours.
You know, Luigi, exercise is good for you.
Yeah, but that was too much. Oh, my leg. It's killing me now.
Well, I gotta go help Luigi's sorry butt back home. See you tomorrow, Princess. Good night, Mario. Okay now, time to go see what Toad is doing.
I'm so loving this game.
Toad, I'm home. Oh, hey, Princess. What? Are you still playing that funny fidget spinner game? Yep. All day long while we're out? Yep. The best game I ever got in my whole life. Oh man, I never want to give it up. Well, you could at least take a break from it. I mean, you just missed a very good time at the park outside. Man, outdoors is for suckers. Besides, it's hot out there. Okay, mister. Hand over the tablet. What? No way. Not in a million years, sucker. Now that's no way to talk to your princess and your mother, young man. Give me the tablet. What? No way, man. No. Give it back. No, hand it over.
Ha! I got the tablet now, Toad. Now you cannot play your game.
But princess, please, I need it.
No, you certainly don't, Toad. And for being so rude to me, you are grounded for a week.
But princess.
No buts. Straight to bed, young man.
Yes, princess.
Looks like you've gone too far, mister. I gotta put this thing somewhere where Toad will never find it.
I can't resist. I gotta get that game back. Careful, careful, careful. Wow, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, shh. Oh man, can't wait to play the fidget spinner game again.
A brand new day. I sure hope Toad's not mad at me. The tablet's gone. Toad took it. I just know it. Ooh, I was a fool to keep it next to me where Toad is able to find it. Ooh. I will not tolerate this nonsense any longer. I am going to find that boy and put a stop into this once and for all. Excuse me, sir, no need to be rude or anything, but would you mind turning off the camera? I'm about to blow off and, yeah, I don't want anyone to see this. Thank you, that's more like it. Now then, Toad!
Oh, man, it sure does feel so good to be with you again. You miss me? 'Cause I sure do miss you. Toad! What? Oh, would you look who's here? What up, Toots?
Huh? Okay, first of all, rude, just rude. And two, I told you you couldn't play that darn game. It has given you so much addiction. So hand it over.
What? No way! I would never.
Well, then you're grounded for 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or a month, or forever.
You could do whatever you want to me. No matter how many times you hide the game from me, I will always seek for her. Nothing will tear us apart, and nothing will ever separate us.
Wait, you're calling it a her? Toad, it's just a game.
Hey, she is more than just a game. She's to me. Oh, man, I love her so much.
Toad, what's got into you? Why am I feeling that you're dating the game?
Exactly. I am dating her.
What? You literally are?
Yep.
When you start?
Maybe just about a few minutes after I rescued her from you last night.
What? Oh no!
Oh yes. Oh yeah. And in about an hour, we are about to celebrate our 12-hour anniversary.
Oh
yeah. And yeah, let me lend you a little secret. I don't wanna reveal this to her.
What?
I already got a wedding ring for her.
What?
That's right. I am going to propose to her. And pretty soon we will be married. But yeah. Feel free to come to my wedding. You're invited. Everyone's invited. I want the whole world to see what a great couple we are.
Toad, you are nuts. The game is pulling you away from me.
Oh, don't mind her. She's just jealous. We are going to be great together, and we're going to have a good life together.
Oh no, he's even too young to be married. Oh no, this has gone too far. I gotta do something about this, huh? Hello, Mario? You and Luigi gotta get over here quick. It's Toad. He is in love with the Fidget Spinner app. Huh? No. I mean, he's in love with the Fidget Spinner app. He is really dating it. I mean, literally. It is impossible for you to date a gaming app. That's what I thought. But Toad got addicted to the game big time. He's literally dating it. He even about to propose to it like any minute now. It is crazy. I know, right? You boys gotta get over here and help me. Okay, see you in a minute. I heard a knock. Wow, it must be them. That was fast. Oh my god, thank goodness you guys came here. Yeah, we came as fast as we could as soon as we got the call.
Yeah, and hey, why is Toad in love with an app and won't stop playing with it?
I don't really know, Luigi, but hey, I have a plan that will snap him out of it. And I'm gonna need both of you to help me. Happy to. Great, follow me, guys. Let's go.
In love with an app. So ridiculous.
Oh, Fridgie, you are my one true love.
Hey, Toad.
Oh, hey, Luigi.
What you doing?
Nothing. Notice my future wife right here? Meet Fridgie.
What?
She's my current girlfriend and will be my wife once we get married.
Wow, Peach ain't kidding.
What?
Oh, I mean, yeah, you two certainly do look cute together.
Why, thanks, bro.
No problem, but hey, I had to tell you some crazy news.
What?
Bowser is on the loose in this castle, and Peach is captured.
What? She is?
Yes, dude, I'm being for real. I'm serious.
Well, I'm not gonna worry.
Why?
Mario will be there to help her. He's the real hero.
Whoa, Mario's got captured too.
What? You can't be serious, man.
Oh yeah. I am dead serious. I mean, Bowser's growing so much powerful. Even Mario couldn't stop him.
Not even you?
No, not even me.
How come you can't stop him?
Oh, because, well, first of all, I'm not really that strong as Mario, or as good as Mario, and two, my leg is hurting.
Oh, 'cause you've been outside. I guess that makes sense.
So yeah, you are Peach and Mario's only hope to save them.
My chance of becoming a hero? Well, all right. I'll go find them and save them from Bowser. But hey, would you mind doing me a favor?
What?
Watch Fridgie for me, will ya? I'll be back for you. I'll be back for you, honey. I promise.
Ew.
Watch her for me, Luigi. I'm coming, guys.
Ha. Ooh. So Peach wasn't kidding about this self-destruct app. I better activate it. Just to get Toad out of this game. Oh, good. It's self-destructing. It's working. It's timing. I better get out of here while I still can.
Oh, are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine, Toad.
Ooh, where's Bowser? I want to give him a piece of my mind. And fist.
Oh, he just left now, Toad.
What? He left? I didn't get a chance to fight him.
Oh, don't worry though. He left a special message for you.
Wait, what's that?
Sucker.
Wait, what? I just heard the explosion.
Oh yeah. There was a self-destructing app on the tablet.
What? No! Fridgie!
Well, Princess, what do you say I untie us before we miss what was about to happen now? Let's hurry!
Fridgie! Oh no!
And Here it comes.
Fridgie, no! You have been blown up to circuits! Oh no! Oh no! You tricked me! Why, Peach? Why you gotta do that to me? Fridgie was my one true love. No, she's not, Toad. What? And I am so sorry about that, but I had to do it. It's the only way to get you away from her. She's just a game, Toad, not your girl. And she doesn't even love you.
She don't?
No. She just wants all the attention from you so she can be played around with and keep you from being with the ones who love you the most.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I'm trying to save the light of my days. You, Toad.
You think I'm the light of your days?
Of course. You're my adopted son. I mean, I would never want anyone hurt you. I love you, son. I love you.
Aw,
I love you too, Mommy. Come here, sweetie. And I'm so sorry I was rude to you. Don't worry, you're forgiven.
Aw. Mother and son. Yeah. This is like one of the moments I've seen all day.
Aww. So, how you feeling?
I think I'm feeling a little better.
That's good to hear, sweetheart. And hey, there's plenty of other fish in the sea. I mean, that thing right there ain't the only one.
You know what? You're right. There are other fish in the sea. I believe you, Princess.
Thanks, Toad.
No problem. And hey, now that that thing right there is destroyed, I'm getting kind of bored again.
You want to go for a walk in the park with us?
Ooh, I would love to. Hey, would you guys like to race with me?
Sure, Toad. Ooh, did you hear that, Luigi? Sure, Toad. We accept your challenge.
Oh no.
Well then, racing starts now. Bye.
Come on, guys. Toad is beating us.
Oh yeah? Not if I beat him first. Oh. Didn't you guys forget that my leg is broken? Oh.